So we're back. Yeah, we're back. Welcome back. So what we'll do now? Okay, we're going to link the. I'm just deleting the duct which we created a couple of minutes before. Okay, so we are in the ceiling plan. Do not be in the ceiling plan. You can be in any view. Do not be that only ceiling plan. Not required to insert a link. So let's say link Revit. Okay, I'm going to link a Revit file and then we come back. Okay, I've linked the Revit architectural file. Okay. Right, just one random question here. Beautiful question. Okay, listen. Okay, this question is actually buy one get two free. Okay, one thing I see this the architectural units are in centimeter. How do we change units? Type UN. Don't press enter. Okay, change it to cm, that is centimeter, and you like to show it? Yeah, better to show it. We are having any rounding. Okay, looks good. Yeah, so far so good. Okay, then say okay. Okay, so you can see our beautiful centimeters here. Okay, just make sure that level 1 and level 1 is aligned. Okay, so ceiling is not interested now. We're just going to create levels and then we're going to come to the ceiling plan and create. No, just a second. Okay, this is a good question. So we need to have, okay, they just mention it. Okay, level 2 ceiling is at this. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, now next question comes, John, you know what, this is too light, you know, I love everything to be dark. How do I make the Revit architectural file darker? I'll say, yeah, darker, thicker, isn't it? Does this make sense? No, thick line doesn't help you. Go to manage tab, go to additional setting, go and find your friend halftone. Increase the brightness how much you like it. Okay, you see now it is dark, isn't it? The file is dark, isn't it? Any comments? Okay, listen. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just delete these beautiful adios layers and tell him thank you for coming, isn't it? Why? Because I want to create now my levels. Okay, okay, let's go forward. Go to collaborate tab. Okay, first thing is first thing. Okay, you need to select. I can't select the Revit architectural file. Why? Just come here and click this guy. You will be able to select him. Magic. Okay, good. Pin him. So you don't move it. Okay, now you can select this file. Okay, go to collaborate tab. Sorry, isn't it? Copy monitor. Select the link. Select the file. Click copy. Multiple. Say hello to your friends. Who? Levels. Just make sure levels have been selected. Click OK. Click finish. And then don't forget to click this finish because most of the people forget that. Okay, click finish and say thank you very much. And you would be seeing them here. Okay, see, this guy has done something very beautiful. Okay, something really beautiful. Okay, see, so I believe parapet, listen, parapet, ceiling and ceiling would be in the ceiling plan. So only level 1, 2 and roof would be in the floor plan. That's what he's trying to convey message, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, yeah. So what you're going to do is go to the view tab, go to plan view, click plan view. Okay, what did we say? Level 1, level 2 and a roof to come under mechanical template. Beautiful. Say okay. Tell him welcome to alien planet, isn't it? This is beautiful. Okay, we don't want to see other one. Okay, this has come and these need to come but in the ceiling plan. That's what he's trying to convey message, isn't it? Don't worry. Go to the plan view, reflected ceiling. Yeah, ceiling. We need ceiling 1, ceiling 2 and parapet, isn't it? Under mechanical ceiling, isn't it? Do once only the job. Okay, so say okay. You would see welcome to alien planet. They have come here, perfectly come. Okay, you will be seeing everything blue because it is appear in the project browser. Okay, that is the story of this subject, of this part of this video. Okay, so if you go to ceiling 1, we don't see anything. Okay, ceiling 2, we don't do anything. We need to see the view depth. Okay, need to change the view depth here. Or the logic which he is trying to use is let's see what's the logic. Okay, let's say level 1, level 1. Okay, we want a ceiling. Just see the properties, mechanical, beautiful. You would be seeing level 1 here. Okay, we need to change associative level 1. Okay, fine. We need to change the cut view range. So yeah, view range. Just go to the view, not view range, mechanical. It's blocked. Go down, tell adios to your view range. Okay, and we need to see the depth of that. Not apply. Let's just click this, uncheck. Okay, because we will like to play with it later. Okay, view range. We are going to cut at 2. Beautiful. Khalas. This is 23 centimeter. This is what we need. Okay. See, he said. Oh, sorry, 260. Sorry, this is my mistake. Not khalas. Isn't? We need to go and see it. View range. Make it 260. Okay. Apply. We don't see anything. Okay. We need to see what's the story. Ceiling 1. Ceiling 2, blank screen. Okay, we will just let's do some examination of this drawing. I will open the file here. 1 minute. How do we open the file? Select the file, open and unload. You say, are you sure? Yes. Okay, I want to see what's the story in level ceiling 1. Okay, looks good. My question is, why did he create, if ceiling 1, this is at 260, good. If I go to ceiling 1, spot elevation, 260, perfect. Okay, looks good. So ceiling is at 260. Okay, fine. Let's go to my ceiling 1. We need to reload it. Let's just close this. Okay. Just need to do some homework before doing this, isn't it? Okay, we didn't do anything. Reload, right click, reload. Welcome back. We were waiting for you. Okay, 1 minute. So we will see ceiling 1. You change the settings, huh? Yeah. Rearrange 260. Top clip is above bottom clip. 1 minute. No. Okay. Associate ceiling 1. Okay, we'll see what's the story here. 1 minute. Did small. 1 minute. Let's see. Just make it unlimited and see what's the story. Okay, good. So we just need to change it to unlimited. Okay. See, go to annotate tab, spot elevation. Okay, we are in 630. Why is it 630? Maybe do you think it is? Top. Okay. We are in ceiling 2. Okay, view depth, we are seeing it more far. Okay, beautiful. Up to ceiling 2. Unlimited. There's some problem with his ceiling. 1 minute. Not some problem, we will have to see the elevation view. Ceiling 2 is his ceiling. Okay, actually that is level 2 ceiling. Okay, so what we can do is, yeah, the level 1 ceiling, level 2 ceiling. 1 minute, I will show you what I am trying to tell you. Go to view range. Okay, up to level 1. View depth up to level 2. You're making headache for no reason. Okay. Okay, this is perfect, isn't it? So what you're going to do is something like that. Just keep it like this. Okay, isn't it? 260 is perfect. So what you're going to do is, this guys cause confusion. Delete these 2 views. Nothing will happen. Just views you delete. You're not deleting the model. Okay. So level 1. What did I delete? Next one. Level 2. Okay, you're going to go to the view range, not view, view tab, plan view, reflected ceiling. Go to level 2 and tell him, come. Welcome. We are waiting for you. Okay, beautiful. Go to the spot elevation, very spot, annotate and say hello to you. Perfect. Okay, you get the picture? How do I know it's perfect? Go and see this. Okay, so what was the story? Very easy. Okay, he just made confusion. He just wanted to show things very clear. Okay, he or she, let's say. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. We linked the file. We made this guy brighter. Okay, sometime you'll not be able to select him. If you're not able to select him, do this. You'll not be able to select only. Okay, we've copy monitored it. Level 1 and level 2 have been inserted. Okay, in the next class we're going to start doing the zones, etc, etc, etc. Take care, enjoy. I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. See you fresh and energized in the next class. Bye.